Some important terms of economics. First number economy. Economy is used in two related meaning. Firstly, the word is used to describe a community's system in which economic activities are undertaken. Economic activities mean all human efforts to produce and consume goods and services. Then this word to also refer to the sum total of economic activities in a particular area or country. The area might be of any size with any number of people involved. In this sense, we can talk of a local economy such as a village or national economy uh, covering the whole country like Pakistan economy such as a village or a national economy covering the whole country like Pakistan economy or the world economy. If we say that Pakistan has a poor economy, we want to convey that Pakistan is not doing well in economic field and overall production of goods and services is low. Second number, assumptions. Assumptions are an essential part of study of economics. Real world and complex and difficult to explain its working. Millions of activities are occurring simultaneously to make a situation easier to understand. The economists make some assumption. Some picture or assume either not to change or to have ignorable small influence on the problem under study. Similarly, the picture include may be assumed to behave in a particular way. For example, several factors influence the demand for a commodity at a time. But to make study possible, we assume that any change in the quantitative demand is only due to change in price. Other factors are assumed to either remain constant or have ignorable small influence. These factors are called parameters. Third number, models. All sciences, including economics, make use of model. An economic model is a simplified picture of a real situation in which only the most important and key factors are selected for study of their behavior. Some less important factors are ignored. For instance, they are assumed to remain constant. Every model makes some simplifying assumption. Tables, figures, and equations might be used in the model. A model is always simpler than the reality it represents. Fourth number, abstraction. Economics theories are all abstraction. For instance, they exist in thought and do not fully represent the real life situation. Abstraction does not make theories useless. Reality is too complex to draw some meaningful conclusion. Through abstraction, we reduce the details by ignoring non economics and irrelevant facts. We become able to get meaningful knowledge from confusing and complicated real life situation. Point number, scarcity. Scarcity is the basic term of economics, which means the situation where human wants exceeds the available resources and the people do not get something as much as they want. Scarcity of resources is a hard fact of our life. Only few things which people want to use are free, like air. Otherwise, continuous effort are needed to find resources to satisfy wants. Economic is the study how people make efficient use of scarce resources to satisfy unlimited wants. Existing a scarcity forces people to make choice and discussion about production or consumption of goods. They cannot get everything they want if they use their resources to have one thing. They will have to sacrifice some other desirable. things. Six number, resources. Resources are the thing used to produce or purchase goods and services that human wants. Goods and services are scarce because the resources needed to produce them are scarce. Resources are of various kinds, for example, natural, material, and human. 7 number, opportunity cost. Opportunity cost of something is what you give up to get it. Because of scarcity of resources, people do not get everything they want. So they have to make choices or trade-off decision. For example, for instance, to achieve one goal, they go off some other goal. If one spend or more money on education, he will have to spend less on clothes and movies. Similarly, this society, while choosing which goods and services will be produced from the scarce resources, also choices which goods and services it will do. Without every choice involves sacrifice of some alternative opportunity.